Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to have problem number 43 as a program to bring round of number by using, we will use round function, okay? By using C++ round built-in function. And we will use our round function. So we will use C++ round built-in function. We take it already before. And also we'll create our round function. The round function, what it's do, let's remind you a little bit. If the user insert 10.7 or 10.5, the output should be my round result is 11. So from 10.5 till 10.9, the result should to be 11. All right, my round result is, because we use our function, we call it here, it's give me 11, and C++ round built-in function also it's give me 11. And if the user insert 10.4 less than 0.5, the output should to be 10 because it's less than 10.5, okay, by using two functions, mine and the C++. And if the user insert minus 10.7, we want also the number be minus 11 in negative. If the user insert negative numbers, both these examples, first example, the second example, are positive numbers. But if the user also insert a negative number like minus 0.7, it should to be minus 11. If the user insert minus 0.4, it should to be 10. Minus 10. Okay. So now let's go to Visual Studio to see how we're gonna convert this requirement into code. All right, guys, our solution of problem number 43. Write a program to print round of number by using C++ round built-in function. Okay, and we will use our round function that will build it together. First, let's do round to check the program together. Perfect. Once I did run the command display for me this question, please enter a number. Let's say 10.7. It should give me 11, right? 10.7 is give me 11. My round function result is, this is the function that we build it by ourselves, give us 11, and the C++ round built-in function also is giving 11. So my function is exactly same, its result exactly same like the C++ built-in function. Let's do it again and do, for example, 10.5 should also give me 11, because we say from 10.5 till 10.9 should give me 11. If you do run again and we say 10.3 or 4, let's say my round function is 10 because it's less than 10.5, and the C++ built-in function, the round function, is 10. And if we insert a negative number, for example, you say minus 10.4, should to give me minus 10, okay? Perfect. My round function give me minus 10. And if we said minus, like negative number, minus 10.7, should give me 11. Perfect. It's give me 11 in both functions. So how we build this program? It's easy. First thing here, main function, we said float number equal read number from the user. This is normal function, you already know it. It's from float data type. Number, we ask the user, we insert the number and return the number. And after that, we have a string, my round function result. Let's just make it like my round function result is, we call my round function. What we wrote inside my round function, we give it the number, for example, 10.7. Let's open it from integer data type, and it takes the number as a float, okay? It's just two lines of code. If number greater than or equal 0, if the number greater than or equal 0, which means the user insert a positive number, return the number, for example, 10.3. 10.3 plus the 0.5, here I write it for you. 10.3, for example, if the user insert in the number 10.3. So 10.3 plus 0.5, it will give me 10.8. So we'll take this 10.8, we will convert it, or we will make it integer. What it will give us? When we take number with fraction and we convert it to integer, or we use data type next to it, integer data type, to cast it to integer, what it will give us? It will give us 10. 10.8, it's number with fraction, number with decimal. So 10.8, and we convert this float number with decimals to integer, it will give me 10. For that, when we insert, or the user insert 10.3 and plus 0.5, it will give me 10.8, and we take this 10.8 here, integer 10.8, we cast 10.8 to make it integer, is give us 10. And if the user insert 10.7 is greater than 10.5, is greater than 10.4, plus 0.5, it will give me 11.2. So we take this 11.2, we cast it to integer, and it will return for us 11. That's the first line of code do. We take the number, we plus it with 0.5, and we convert it to integer, okay? This is if the user insert positive numbers. But if the user insert negative numbers, it's same, but with minus. For example, if the user insert minus 10.3 plus 0.5, it will be minus 0.8. 8. Okay, so minus 0.8, we'll take it, we'll convert it to integer, it will give us minus 10. And if the user insert minus 10.7 plus 0.5, it will give us minus 11.10. We'll convert it to integer, it will give us 11, as you saw it on the console screen once we did run. And after that, we call the name of the function here. My round function is, we give it the number, and according if it's positive, negative, and if it's over 0.5 or less than 0.5, we will get the final result. And here, C++ round built-in function result. We also call the round built-in function. To call it, you have to write all the letters of round keyword lowercase, all the letters lowercase. So that was the lesson of today. It's about write a program to print round of number by using C++ round function, and we will use our own function. Okay, that was the lesson of today. Lesson 1.3. We know how the round built-in function work, and we built something also like it. That was the lesson of today. See you next lesson, next problem. Ciao.